Shield and Backup and Recover work together to help you detect issues early, investigate with confidence, and recover without disruption. Let's see how. A retailer runs a nightly integration script, but an error accidentally wipes out the mailing addresses for around 8,000 customers. Backup and Recover alerts us by email that changes have been detected in the backup data, indicating a potential incident in the contacts object. First, Shield's event monitoring alerts us that something unusual is happening. We can see that a bulk API request occurred along with the user and session tied to that activity, which helps confirm that it came from an authorized integration account rather than a hacker. Then, we use Field Audit Trail to confirm exact changes, previous values, and timestamps, doubling as verifiable evidence for potential future audits. However, in this case, knowing what happened doesn't fix the problem. Now that we've detected and investigated the event, let's go to Backup and Recover to review, repair, and restore the affected data. Here we can compare the backup snapshots to see how the data looked before and after the incident. Now we're going to precisely repair and restore the affected data. First, we'll check and confirm the previous field values. Then we select the specific records and fields that were affected and restore just those values. In this case, we're restoring the address fields for the affected customers. In just a few minutes, the missing address data is restored without impacting any other changes that happened in the org today. That is the power of a unified defense strategy for your Salesforce data with Shield and Backup and Recover.